A grieving South Valley family is barely coping with the loss of their loved one in a senseless stabbing. But now they're questioning whether they'll see justice when the suspect is a child. Action News has been tracking the tragedy that has shaken the South Valley after 17-year-old Lorenzo Sanchez was killed outside the Hanford Mall.
Police say security video shows the 15-year-old suspect acted alone in the brutal attack on Lorenzo when his back was turned. Reporter Brisa Colon spoke to the victim's mother tonight and joins us now from the live desk with the family's looming worry. Brisa?
Margot and Warren, Lorenzo's mother, tells me her family is traumatized and in this state of shock as they were out with him when the incident happened. And even though she is still mourning, she's calling for justice.
An empty bed, trophies, medals on the wall. 17-year-old Lorenzo Sanchez's room where he left it.
Lorenzo was a very happy kid, very athletic. His smile was just warming. He was a very humble kid.
Lorenzo was out shopping with his family Saturday when he was approached by a group of 5 teenagers ages 11 to 15. Investigators say an argument began, but Sanchez walked away. That's when police say a 15-year-old came up from behind and stabbed him in the back of the neck.
They did it with the intentions of killing him because they went straight to where it was going to kill him, you know. They didn't go once or twice. They went straight to where they're going to kill him, just with one stab.
A junior at Corcoran High School, ran track and played football, named Athlete of the Year just a week before he was killed. A straight-A student with the goal of attending Fresno State.
He was a small boy with big dreams, and he was going to get there. He was, you know, he had already applied for college. His future was bright. For his age.
Julia, Lorenzo's mom, faced her son's killer in court Wednesday. She described him as being numb and showing no remorse.
I just couldn't believe what I'm seeing. He was a little boy with the hand of a murder.
Julia is now calling for justice. She fears her son's killer could be released when he turns 25 under Proposition 57 in California, which focuses on evidence-based rehabilitation and allows a judge to decide whether the convicted child will be tried as an adult. Julia says she doesn't want this to happen to any other mother.
I've noticed the crime has gone up, and my son is not the only victim. It's happening, it's still happening, and then if they don't put an end to this, what are we going to get to? Like, if we don't come together, it's just going to keep on happening.
And the family has set up a GoFundMe. You can find a link to that on our website, abc30.com. At the live desk, Brisa Colon, ABC 30 Action News.